Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the Instagram app and click on the direct message icon located in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a paper plan. Once you're in the direct message section, click on the pen and notepad icon in the top right corner next to camera option. This will open a new message screen. In the To field search for and add the people you want to include in the group chat. You can add up to 20 people in a group chat. However, keep in mind that if someone has a private account or has disabled the option to be added to group chats, you won't be able to add them. Once you've added all the desired participants, click on Create Group Chat at the bottom of the screen. This will create the group chat and take you to the chat page. On the chat page, you can start sending messages to everyone in the group chat if they are following you and have not disabled the option to receive messages from you. However, if someone is not following you or has privacy settings that prevent you from messaging them, your messages will not be sent to that person. You can also customize the group chat further by changing its name and theme. To do this, click on the name of the participants at the top of the screen and make the necessary changes. That's how you create a group chat on Instagram. Remember, you can add up to 20 people, and everyone must meet the necessary requirements for you to send them messages. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time!